If you're a person who uses AI chatbots, whether it be through OpenAI, Google Bard or Microsoft Bing, then you know that, while helpful, constant prompting the chatbot can be a long and monotonous process. However, a new open source application called Auto-GPT has made the task of constantly prompting the bot a little easier. Let's dive into what it is and why it could be helpful. Auto-GPT is an application that takes a list of tasks from the user and then talks to ChatGPT in order to prompt and generate tasks and output on its own. This takes the weight from the user who previously had to continually guide the bot and give it tasks each time it was used. This isn't for those who completely lack basic coding knowledge, as there is an OpenAI application programming interface (API) connection. Though, with demand being so high, similar programs are likely to become more accessible. The uses for this kind of program are seemingly endless. It could be used as a customer service chatbot, as a problem-solving directory, or as a tool to automatically generate content on demand. Since the AI has the ability to be given a task, internalize and deconstruct smaller tasks needed, check the output accuracy, relaunch tasks, write prompts, read and write files, catalog completed tasks, and even understand when more action is needed, it could essentially become self-sufficient after the user's initial task. That's incredible. However, it has potential drawbacks. Firstly, Auto-GPT would only be as accurate as what is put in. If it was being used in a customer service setting, for example, it could respond to a customer's question about returning a product but not take into account company policies, post office hours, and more. In another example, if you were to ask the bot to solve a problem in the code for an application you were working on, it may solve the problem in an isolated section of code, but not consider how that changed section may interact with other elements of the project, as it's only focused on the problem/task they have been given. As you can see, having an AI like this can be incredibly helpful, but it's important to bear in mind that having a chatbot with the power of auto-prompting such as Auto-GPT requires proper human oversight, to avoid potentially serious problems. With careful thought and monitoring, Auto-GPT has a great deal to potentially offer and could become a revolutionary tool.